How can I enable or disable call filters on WhatsApp?
Hello, viewers. In today's guide, we are going to learn about enabling or disabling call filters on WhatsApp. This is a great feature if you want to control who can call you on the platform. Let's jump right into it.
What is a call filter in WhatsApp?
A call filter in WhatsApp is a feature that allows you to decide who can call you through the app. This is extremely useful if you want to limit calls from unknown numbers or specific contacts.
How to access WhatsApp settings?
To enable or disable call filters, you first need to go into the WhatsApp settings. Here are the steps. 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings.
How to enable call filters?
After accessing the settings, follow these steps. 1. Tap on Account, then tap on Privacy. 2. Scroll down and tap on Call Filter. 3. Here, you can choose who you want to allow calls from. The options include Everyone, My Contacts, or My Contacts Except. 4. If you choose My Contacts Except, you will be able to exclude specific contacts from calling you.
How to disable call filters?
If you want to disable the call filter, simply go back to the Call Filter settings. 1. Choose the option Everyone. This will allow all contacts and any new numbers that message you to call you on WhatsApp. And that's how you can easily enable or disable call filters on WhatsApp. Remember, it's all about maintaining your privacy and ensuring a great user experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.